Today we will learn how to give pop-up effect to text in Premiere Pro. First type the text and go to Effects panel and search for Transform Effect, and then drag and drop to text. Place the navigator on the first frame and now go to the Effect Controls panel and turn on the toggle animation of scale. Keep the scale value at 70. And move forward 3 frames and make the scale value 130. Again, move forward 3 frames and undo the scale value. Now unselect the Use Composition's Shutter Angle option and keep the shutter angle value as 360. That's it, the pop-up effect is ready. Now in the Effect Controls panel, right-click on the Transform effect and go to Save Preset. Rename the effect as Pop-up Effect. Now here I have taken many text layers. Now select everything and drag and drop the Pop-up Effect preset. That's all for today. If you like the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. Graphic Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, Graphic Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.